Hi there, welcome again to my channel. Today our topic is about English 10 Quarter 2 Module 3, entitled Lesson 3, Pre-writing. This is the third part of the series under Argumentative Essay. Okay, now Lesson 3, Pre-writing. In your module, under What I Need to Know, it says like this: at the end of this lesson, you are expected to choose an appropriate topic, formulate a thesis statement, and prepare an outline for an essay. Under What I Know also in your module, under task number 1, steps to follow. Here is the direction. Arrange the steps of the writing process, number the steps from 1 to 5, and do this in your activity notebook. Okay. The first step here is choosing a topic. Second step, the first step is choosing a topic. Second step is formulating thesis statement. Third step is writing the first draft. Fourth step is revising. And the fourth step is publishing. Now under What's in your module, task number 2, see the patterns. Here is the direction. Recall the 3 patterns in developing an argument. Then arrange the following sentences to produce a comprehensive idea. Label each as claim, reason, and evidence. Write your answers in your activity notebook. A. Experiments show the virus can spread even in casual conversation. B. Wearing masks should be done by everybody. C. Wearing masks can prevent the spread of virus. Now, here is the answer. Wearing masks should be done by everybody. This falls under claim. Letter C. Wearing masks can prevent the spread of virus. This statement falls under reason. And experiments show the virus can spread even in casual conversation. This falls under evidence. Alright. Now, under What's new in your module, task number 3, find me. Here's the direction. From the pool of letters below, find the important words and phrases to consider in writing an argumentative essay. And then, they may be written diagonally, backward, or in a straightforward manner. And then, example is topic. Look for 10 more words or phrases. List these words or phrases you find in your activity notebook. Okay, here is the crossword puzzle. The first given is topic. Next is introduction. Next is conclusion. Next is main idea. Okay. Now for going down, another one here is opinion. For down, we have statistics. Another one is body. Now for the reverse or inverted letters, this one is reason. Okay. Now, under What is it in your module, task number 4, the writing process. And the direction is, read the discussion below to prepare yourself for the series of writing activities. Be sure to take note of the things that you need to do in the writing process. Writing an argumentative essay is just like going into battle. You need to arm yourself with good ideas and appropriate words. A good writer follows the writing process, which involves 3 key stages: writing, drafting, revising, and editing. Now, under pre-writing, in the pre-writing stage, you need to find a suitable issue that matters to you and your readers. You also need to formulate your thesis statement and gather data to support your claim. In the drafting stage, you need to decide what pattern or technique of developing argument you will use in writing your essay. Under drafting, as you write the 3 major parts of the essay, introduction, body, and conclusion, it is important to use persuasive language and to support your opinion with logical reasons, research, studies, statistics, and expert opinions. Using this writing weapon skillfully will make your essay truly convincing. Now, under revising and editing. After drafting the introduction, body, and conclusion of your essay, you need to read, revise, and edit it. In this stage, you must be keen at spotting errors in reasoning, unsupported claims, vague or overused words. It is also important to look for errors in sentence structure, spelling, punctuation, and grammatical structures. Now, under what's more in your module, task number 5, brace for words. Here is the directions. Do the indicated tasks for each step of the writing process. Write your outputs in your activity notebook. Okay, step 1. Choose a topic that really matters to you. It may be an issue in your school, community, or the country in general. The issue must be a suitable topic for an argumentative essay. Number 2, formulate a working thesis statement. This is your claim, a forceful statement of your position. Number 3, gather support material. You need facts and statistics to have strong reasons and evidence to support your position. Now, your output. Your topic, you may use any topic you explored in the previous lessons. Now, by the way, the answers here are not found in your module. You need to pause the video for a while and then try to copy the answers here. Alright, my suggested topic is divorce in the Philippines. The thesis statement or claim, divorce should be legalized in the Philippines. Now, we are going to write the facts you have gathered through research. These are the gathered facts. The proponents of divorce are led by groups advocating women's rights. They are supported primarily by women who are abused by their husbands, women whose Filipino husbands have divorced them in other countries and remarried, and spouses, that means husbands or wives, who find their respective interests mutually exclusive and their differences irreconcilable. There are also individuals who sympathize with the plight of these men and women. Now, under what I have learned, task number 6, fill it. Here are the directions. Fill the blanks to complete the paragraphs. Write your output in your activity notebook. Now, be ready with your ball pen because the answers here are not found in your module. Writing an essay may not really be that easy. As a student, you need to arm yourself with bright ideas and appropriate writing skills. A good writer follows the writing process, which involves 3 key stages: prewriting, drafting, and revising and editing. In the prewriting stage, you need to find a suitable issue that matters to you and your readers. You also need to formulate your thesis statement and gather data to support your claim. In the drafting stage, you need to decide what pattern or technique of developing argument you will use in writing your essay. As you write the 3 major parts of the essay, introduction, body, and conclusion, it is important to use persuasive language and to support your opinion with logical reasons, research studies, statistics, and expert opinions. Using these writing weapons skillfully will make your essay truly convincing. After drafting the introduction, body, and conclusion of your essay, you need to read, revise, and edit it. In this stage, you must be keen at spotting errors in reasoning, unsupported claims, vague or overused words. It is also important to look for errors in sentence structure, spelling, punctuation, and grammatical structures. Now, under what I can do, task number 7, pros and cons. Direction. Make a long list of opposing ideas on an arguable topic. Example, the approval of death penalty. Then write your draft. Do this in your activity notebook. By the way, the answers here are not found in your module, so you need to take time copying these items. Now, the topic I've chosen is legalization of divorce in the Philippines. The left side is the pros and the right side is the cons. When we say pros, these are the side which agree with the legalization of divorce in the Philippines, while in the cons, these are the side which do not agree with the legalization of divorce in the Philippines. Okay, for the pros, it will give freedom to battered wives who were subjected to physical and mental abuse by their husbands. For the cons, divorce is unconstitutional and it is anathema to Filipino culture. Next, for the pros, it will provide a chance to have a new loving and caring husband or wife. For the cons, it is immoral. It will destroy the Filipino family. Number 3, for the pros, it will provide a life free from mental and physical stress. For the cons, it is against the Christian principle and it will destroy the lives of children. Now for the assessment, here are the directions. Do a self-check on your preliminary writing tasks using this checklist. Do this in your activity notebook. Okay. I have an interesting, relevant, controversial topic. The answer here is, of course, yes. I have formulated a strong claim. Yes. I have logical reasons to support my claim. Answer also, yes. I have gathered enough evidence. Yes. I have decided what pattern of developing an argument is appropriate. Yes. Alright. I hope you have learned something in this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you again.